All right, guys, so we're having an open house. This is at 4900 Memory Lane, Manlius Village, New York. The zip code is 13104. The asking price is 289.9. Is 2,312 square feet. It has a 4 bedroom, 2.5 bath, brand new furnace. Uh, Hot water tank is 1 year. 95% of the house is brand new. Everything is brand new. The entire interior of the house is brand new painted. This is the front door, and on the cover of the video, you will see the front of the house. As you guys can see, it's cold snow outside, and we have to take our shoes off. So I will have to put my shoes, go outside. So I just gonna put the cover, the photo cover, so you guys can see the front of the house that way. Um, the kitchen is brand new. All the appliances um, is brand new as well. And you guys gonna see the basement has a 595 square feet, all finished walkout basement. Okay, so it's a we're gonna go this way, the car garage. Okay, as you guys can see, it's a big two-car garage. I would say, I don't know, maybe three. Go this way. The walkout door that way, and another walkout door that way. Okay. Go this way. So this is the entrance, and we get here to, you can say it's the living room or the family room. This is the family room. Have a chimney over there, fireplace. You have the laundry over here on the first floor. Hook up and half a bath over here. As you guys can see, everything is rehab, brand new. The floor is brand new. The ceiling is brand new. You have this French door, gorgeous French door going outside. So the party over there, very nice, right? There's a backyard over there. And mostly in Manlius, you won't see the backyard being fenced or anything like that. This is the kitchen, brand new floor, brand new island, brand new appliances. Everything inside here is brand new. Floor, appliances, countertop, cabinets, everything is brand new, as you guys can see. This door outside. Okay. This is the eating place, I would say. That's a brand new air conditioning on the wall. That's the main entrance that we saw. You guys can come through this. This is a nice window. You can see outside how quiet and nice is this area is. Okay. There's another fireplace over there. This way you go into the bedrooms. It's 4 bedrooms, and up here it's also 2 bathrooms. Okay, so this is 1 bedroom. You can see nice with fan on top. The closet. The outside look. Okay, you can see from here how nice it is outside. It's winter, of course, but it's nice. You have a little closet over here. Another little closet over here. Same way. You have a bedroom here with a closet. This is a master bedroom. It has its own bathroom in here. See how nice it is? Very nice. Very, very nice. You can see. Very nice. Everything new. Okay. The furnace is brand new. I don't know if I said that already, but the furnace is brand new. One of the things that I like to see in the houses myself when I'm buying a home is furnace, hot water tank, and roof. This is the second bathroom in the second floor. This is the general main bathroom for the other bedrooms. The other 3 bedrooms. Um, this is the second bedroom. Third bedroom, I'm sorry. This is the fourth. That's the closet. Another look to the outside. Now we're gonna go downstairs. And I'm gonna take you guys to the basement. The basement is 595 square feet, all finished, walk-out basement. That's amazing. I wanna go this way so you guys can see where it's coming from. There's a front door there. And if you come this way, get this beauty. You open this door here. And you go to the basement. Now, the basement is all finished, like I said, okay? Very nice space over here. You can have a family over here, family room in here, or you can make this your office or your master bedroom, or how you please want to do this. This is some storage space that they have here. As you can see, everything is nice and clean. Nice and clean. Storage space, a lot of storage space over here, okay? And of course you have these doors that you open and close. I just have it open so when people come inside they can see the property, they can see the storage, I'm sorry. And this is the door that would take you outside, okay? So as you can see, it's the basement, it's the air conditioning, and this is all the neighbors. Very nice property, okay? All right, guys, that all. Any comment? If you guys looking for any home in Syracuse, Central New York, I'll be more than happy to assist you. My name is Ronald Valerio, and this is me. Just be safe, and God bless you all, and stay tuned for more videos. Bye bye.